Reverse sourcing is one of the most effective strategies for finding profitable products in online arbitrage. Instead of starting your search from retail stores or wholesale catalogs, you begin with competitor listings, studying what successful sellers are already selling, and then reverse engineer where they sourced their products. In 2026, this method has become even more powerful thanks to AI and advanced analytics tools. The concept is simple. If another seller is consistently making sales, you can analyze their listings to discover similar or identical products that meet your profit goals. It's like letting the market show you what works before you invest time and capital. Here's how it works, step by step. First, use tools like Smart Scout, Keepa, or SellerAmp to identify high-performing sellers in your niche. Look for stores with a large number of active listings and steady sales history. Analyze their top-selling products using data tools to determine sales rank, buy box frequency, and pricing stability. If the sales rank is consistent and the price hasn't dropped dramatically, that's a strong signal of steady demand. Next, dig into product details. Use the ASIN or product title from Amazon to search across other marketplaces like Walmart, Target, or eBay. Tools like Tactical Arbitrage automate this process by scanning multiple online retailers and showing you where the same product is available at a lower price. That's your sourcing opportunity. Keepa charts are especially valuable here. They reveal whether a product's price history is stable and whether Amazon itself sells the item. Avoid listings where Amazon dominates the buy box. It's harder to compete there. Focus on listings where independent sellers hold the buy box and still maintain strong sales. You can also use reverse sourcing to build long-term supplier relationships. Once you identify a profitable product, trace it back to its brand or distributor. Many sellers reach out directly to suppliers or wholesalers to establish partnerships. This shifts your model from short-term arbitrage to scalable, repeatable sourcing. AI tools have made reverse sourcing even smarter. With ChatGPT or Smart Scout's AI integrations, you can analyze a competitor's catalog at scale. The AI can group similar listings, detect which ones have low competition but high demand, and even suggest related keywords to expand your product research. This turns manual detective work into an automated discovery process. When performing reverse sourcing, always verify your margins carefully. Use SellerAmp or RevSeller to confirm your profit after fees, taxes, and prep costs. Just because a competitor is selling an item doesn't mean they're doing it profitably. Your advantage comes from combining data and efficiency. The final step is to organize your findings, track competitor ASINs, source URLs, and ROI in a spreadsheet or automation tool like Airtable. Over time, this database becomes your personal goldmine of proven opportunities. Reverse sourcing flips the traditional approach. Instead of guessing what will sell, you follow the data trail of what's already working. In 2026, it's not about reinventing the wheel. It's about finding who's driving it profitably and learning how to do it better. With the right tools and systems, reverse sourcing can consistently uncover high-performing, low-risk products that keep your arbitrage business growing.